Are you looking for a way to add some flair to your bridal portraits? The easiest way is to use overlays. I'll show you how it works. A good example is going to Etsy.com and purchasing an overlay. Like you can see, this one here is just around $5. This one is just around $7. You could get good overlays from Etsy.com, or also check Google for free overlays you could use. The next thing I will do is I will drag my overlay to my picture, adjust it how I want it to be. Then I go to the layer blend mode. I go to screen and I'm good like this. If I realize the software is not giving me what I want, I could also mask it and paint the areas I don't want it to show. So I will go to my mask, I'll mask it. If this face is white, I'll paint it black. So this is how I create my sun flares. You could also reduce the opacity from the opacity layer. Let's say 50, and I'm good. So this is the before, this after. So that is how I add my sun flare using overlays. It's very easy than creating it yourself. I don't really think you should spend much time trying to create flare manually. You could just use an overlay and you're good to go. Of course, you need to deliver to your clients as soon as possible and make them have a very good experience. So thank you for watching, and that's the easiest way to add some flare. Use overlays. Thank you.